This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
I'm inside the Beekman Place Apartments building. I just came out of the elevator. I'm about to show you apartment 202. Which is on the second floor. When you get out of the elevator, the first thing you see is the exit on your left-hand side. Then we'll walk to the right. You'll find that beautiful unit. Here you have a trash chute where you can put your trash in. And you have a natural light coming through this window. When I go downstairs, there are only 3 units in this floor. I believe it's a good thing because you're not gonna have a lot of traffic. The unit I'm about to show you is the one is all the way up. It's 202. You have the stairs next to the apartment. All right. When you get to the unit, the first thing you see is the beautiful hardwood floor and a huge living area. And it's very big living area and a lot of natural lights. Actually, shade is a little bit with 3 windows looking out to the garden, which is beautiful. And the unit has central air and heat. This is a huge living room. And when we walk into the living room, the room we find on the left hand side is the kitchen. We have an island here we can use as a dining area. And the kitchen has other cabinets, storage cabinets, gas stove, a dishwasher, sink with a garbage disposal. You have fridge. You have another cabinet space here. So across the hallway from the kitchen, you have the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom. Beautiful tile. The bathtub there. A vanity. Toilet. And last but not the least room you find is the bedroom with a beautiful window watching out the Lombard Street and a huge closet. That's a double closet. It's a very, very good looking apartment. Very nice floor. It's a high ceiling. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.